Growing tomatoes seems easy. Plant them, water them, and wait for delicious fruit. But after several growing seasons, I realized there are a few simple tricks that make a huge difference. Here are the tomato growing tips I wish I had known from the very beginning. Unlike most vegetables, tomatoes can grow roots along their buried stems. When transplanting seedlings, remove the lower leaves and bury about 2/3 of the stem. This encourages a stronger root system, making the plant healthier and more drought-resistant. Tomatoes love sunlight. They need at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sun every day, but 8 to 10 hours is even better. The more sunlight they receive, the more flowers and fruits they'll produce. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is watering a little every day. Instead, water deeply 2 or 3 times a week. Deep watering encourages roots to grow further into the soil, making plants stronger and reducing the risk of blossom and rot. Adding a layer of straw, shredded leaves, or grass clippings around your tomato plants helps retain moisture, suppress weeds, and prevent soil from splashing onto the leaves. It also keeps the soil temperature more stable during hot summer days. Too much nitrogen fertilizer gives you huge leafy plants, but very few tomatoes. Once flowers begin to appear, switch to a fertilizer that's higher in phosphorus and potassium to encourage more blooms and fruit production. For indeterminate tomato varieties, removing the small suckers that grow between the main stem and branches helps improve airflow and directs more energy into producing fruit. Better airflow also reduces the chances of fungal diseases. Install cages, stakes, or trellises when the plants are still small. Waiting until they're large can damage the roots. Proper support keeps fruit off the ground, improves air circulation, and makes harvesting much easier. Don't leave ripe tomatoes on the vine for too long. Picking them regularly encourages the plant to keep producing new fruit throughout the season. Tomatoes can also finish ripening indoors if needed. Growing great tomatoes isn't about luck. It's about understanding what the plants need. A little extra care at the beginning of the season can reward you with healthier plants and baskets full of juicy, flavorful tomatoes. If I had known these simple tips earlier, I would have enjoyed much bigger harvests with far fewer problems. Happy gardening, and may your tomato plants thrive all season long.